The most significant difference between MindRender and Scratch is whether it is two-dimensional or three-dimensional. Scratch is designed to easily create 2D works, while MindRender is for 3D works. Because they are 3D, they have a sense of perspective. They appear larger as the camera gets closer and smaller as it moves away. Characters and backgrounds have physical properties. Objects placed in the air fall and collide with the ground in the background. Backgrounds are not just images. Buildings have sides and backs. You can climb on the roof and sometimes even enter the building. In MindRender, the world is seen through cameras, so the camera can be fixed on a scene or follow a character to show the scene. There are also a number of blocks to apply filters to change the overall atmosphere of the scene. The physics engine is implemented, so it can reproduce what happens in reality. Physics settings can be configured in detail for each object. Collision and repulsion between objects can be implemented without complicated calculations. Acceleration sensors of tablets and smartphones are also supported, allowing objects in a game to move in conjunction with the movements of the device. Various effects and sound effects are also part of MindRender's features. With a single block, effects and sound effects can be added. Simply select the effects you like from the list. To easily create the game world. Characters have motions such as walking, jumping, etc., which are automatically played when using some move commands. In addition to the moving motion, characters have various other motions available, so that you can choose any motion you like to play. The variety of event blocks is another reason why it is easy for beginners to get started. In Scratch, there are not so many event blocks, so you have to prepare various judgments yourself by combining conditions. In MindRender, you can choose the right block for the situation from a wide variety of event blocks. Each object in Scratch is completely independent, and no object can manipulate other objects. Therefore, messages must be used to communicate between objects. Since objects in MindRender can manipulate others, it is easier to understand the flow of the program. External devices such as Microbit or Lego Spike can be controlled from MindRender to send signals to turn on lights or move motors. MindRender can also receive input from buttons and sensor values such as temperature and brightness. Games you create can be made public or shown only to specific people using a share code. Class Locker for classroom use is also available for a fee. MindRender is a tool for learning programming while having fun. You can create a variety of program works, as well as high-quality games. You can also link it to external devices such as Microbit. There are many videos available on how to create programs. Please give it a try. Have fun programming.